right, today we are demonstrating some tools we have out today in the collaborative. So we have what's called trundle wheels. Trundle wheels are a way to be able to measure long distances without having to use a measuring stick or a tape measure. So I want to first show that. So this is our long tape measure we have out. That's 30 meters. And so I have my start down here at the bottom. It's right before the click. So as I move across, it clicks. 2, 3, 4. And if you look down here, you're gonna see it's about to click again, and there it is at 5 meters on its 5th click. See? So we can measure really long distances just by rolling the wheel going across. Now, our big thing for today that we wanted to show is we're trying to figure out how far and how fast this dragster we have works. So we have these dragsters in the collaborative that we want you guys to check out and use and build and do math with. So here's where we created one. They have these little guide pins or wires on the bottom. Those guide pins and wires, they go through some string that we have attached down here to help keep it straight. We have this little part contraption here that actually shoots off 2 racers at once. So in case you want to have a competition about speed or any other types of things you want to release at the same time. So they can release at the same time or at different times. Or you can release them at the same time with that little handle thing. These are air powered. That's how they work. And so these little things go in the outside of the dragster, like so. And they go inside this part, which has a pin that releases it and it shoots out. Do you think it was going the same speed the whole time? So how fast was it going when it hit that pole? How fast was it going when it crossed the finish line? All right, there's a couple of things that we wanted to show you all about using this that'll help you when you get started that we had to learn as we were going. First off, reading the directions is helpful. When we first started, our cars only had one outlet or inlet. And so the string, if you need 2 points to make a straight line, so it made it go a lot straighter when we put those in. The next thing that we learned as we were getting these set to go is that it's designed so that these bumpers go on top of this black platform so that the racer will be on all 4 tires. So that'll make it line up better when it's like that. If you're over here off of the thing, then the car winds up sitting up like this and the tires are up. So like that, and it's lined up directly where it's supposed to go. In case you're having trouble with this, I wouldn't just to show you this real quick. So the way these sit as you pull this up, well first this little thing, pull these out of the way, and this spring loads and sets itself on both sides if you want 2 cars. And so